Bring your e-commerce and your warehouse together with these 7 steps. Step 1, synchronize your inventory. Your e-commerce platform and your warehouse management system should be working in tandem. Synchronization provides real-time updates on stock levels, which prevents overselling and stockouts. Step 2, speedy fulfillment. In e-commerce, speed is king. Organize your warehouse to streamline your picking and packing process, while also considering including barcode labeling tools to improve your efficiency. I'll put a link in the description down below of a tool that can do that and even more for your warehouse. Step 3, ensure accurate product information. Your online store should accurately reflect what's in your warehouse. This includes product description, sizes, quantities. Accuracy makes sure that your customers know what they're getting and also helps reduce returns. Step 5, focus on packaging and presentation. In e-commerce, the unboxing experience matters. So ensure that your products are well packaged and include branding elements. Doing even these simple things enhances customer experience and promotes brand loyalty. Step 6, plan for returns management. Returns happen even to the best of our businesses, and this is why you need to plan ahead of time so that you can still maintain positive customer experience. Have a dedicated process in your warehouse for managing returns efficiently and restocking those items. And one of the most important steps of all is step 7, analyze and adapt. Regularly review your warehouse operations in context of your e-commerce performance. Use data analytics to adapt strategies for inventory management, shipping, and handling peak seasons. And if you use more than one cart as part of your business's e-commerce strategy, bring all of those carts together into one multi-cart hub to save time and errors. I'll put a link down below. By aligning your warehouse operations with your e-commerce strategy, you enhance your efficiency, you improve overall customer satisfaction, and you drive growth. And that is what it's all about. Thanks.